Hello friends, let's discuss today what is MSDS. It stands for Material Safety and Datasheet. The safe operation of chemical processes is a primary requirement for the well-being of the people in the plant and for its continued contribution to economic development. So what is meant by MSDS? This MSDS stands for Material Safety and Data Sheet. This sheet is get provided by the manufacturers or suppliers. This MSDS sheet include the information related to its physical and chemical properties, potential hazard, safety measures, along with precautions while handling and storage. So it gives a single reference for all important information. Normally, MSDS need to be updated every 3 years. If any important new information becomes available meanwhile, then it should be incorporated into E even before the lapse of 3 years. All the information in the MSDS categorized into three parts: physical hazard, health hazards, and environmental hazards. We can see detail in the next slides. So these are the various heads of MSDS. According to this purple book of GHS, the information in the MSDS must include these following heads: identification, hazard identification, composition, first aid measures, firefighting measures, accidental release, transport information, regulatory information, or any other related information. But in our country, according to the Manufacture, Storage and Import of Hazardous Chemical Rule 1989, only these 9 sections are made mandatory. But normally all the MSDS sheets contain 16 heads as we discussed earlier. Important thing is that how to get MSDS. This material safety and data sheet is available for each and every compound. So you can search here MSDS for acetone. You can search for any compound, then you can see here several options. Let's open it in a new window. Other sites are also there. Several producing companies or manufacturers given the data here. So this is the MSDS provided by this particular company. You can download it, you can print out it, you can save it. So this is given by LabChem and this is given by this particular company. So when we observe the number of heads, normally all these data sheets contains 16 heads. So let's discuss one MSDS. So this MSDS or safety data sheet for acetone. So first is the identification. So product name is acetone, its IUPAC name is 2-propanone, molecular formula is given is here also, synonyms, other names are also here. Second is the hazard identification. So it is highly flammable. This is also given by a symbol. Composition. First aid measures. First aid measures after inhalation, after skin contact, after eye contact, like this one. Firefighting measures. So we should not use water. Instead of that, we can use quick acting CO2 extinguisher. Accidental release measures, protective equipments, gloves, goggles, protective clothes like this one. Handling and storage. We cannot eat it, drink or smoke when we use this product. Exposure control is also given in a code language. These are the protective equipment, goggles, hand gloves, protective clothing, face shield and mask. So several physical and chemical properties. We know that it is a liquid, colorless, aromatic, sweet odor. 56 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of this particular compound, and other physical and chemical data is available here. Stability and reactivity is also available here. It is a volatile. Toxicological information is also given here. Ecological information. It is not classified as a dangerous for the environment according to this particular law. Disposal consideration is also given. Transport information is also given under separate head. Other regulatory information and other information. You can search MSDS for any compound. MSDS for acetic acid. You can also get several sites. So MSDS for acetic acid, product name, CAS number, other names, hazard identification, composition and information on ingredients, first aid measures, what after inhalation, skin contact, eye contact, firefighting measures, accidental release measures, handling and storage, exposure control, like this one. So these are the common heads, and this last one is the other information. So by studying this MSDS, we can make preventive measures while working in the laboratory. So this is very important document while working in the laboratory. Thank you.